really amazing sessions conducted by Professor Logashakti, reconnecting with the basics of human nature, understanding our mentees and trying to connect to them through their strengths and not through our strengths. That is really my takeaway. The mentee strength is more important than the mentor's strength. That is really my takeaway. And I also believe in the attitude of gratitude which we have conveyed so strongly. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. I am Aparna Shastri, Associate Professor at DSCA. First of all, thank you for the wonderful sessions on both the days. I think you opened up our mind to a whole lot of new possibilities and new ways of thinking. We probably knew many of these things, but we were not aware how to implement it, how to take it forward, and how to probably not have the tools. So you gave us the tools, you gave us specific words, and you gave us way of assessing ourselves and our mentees in specific ways, so we could understand them better, ourselves better, and through that improve our ways of communicating with them, ways of probably, the way we go about the whole mentor-mentee relationship, I think should and can improve because...
This is Dominic Harper, Associate Professor from DSCA. So at the foremost, I would like to thank you for this wonderful session. It was an eye-opener. Initially we thought, mentoring, we have an experience over a period of time teaching here. So we have something, but you have given us, you opened up the horizon to much more wider, and also we benefited a lot from this. Generally, we as teachers, we are not coming from a very structured education background compared to B.Ed faculty who are trained into this with the skill sets. So we are coming from a technical background, and these skill sets which are lacking, I think you have bridged the gap. And I think this will be a very big learning curve for us, and it will be ready to be implemented in the coming days. Thank you.
Sir, from DSCA. Firstly, thank you, sir. It was a wonderful workshop, two-day workshop by you, who is a bundle of positive energy, and the way you were saying also, like, it motivates everyone to do something. And then coming to day one, there were a lot of activities which I enjoyed. Day two, maybe because of the time constraint, activities were less. So, and one more thing, what is the main takeaway is a lot of case studies that I could connect with. Theory is there, but then right now I've started as an assistant professor. A lot of faculties and you also shared a lot of case studies and stories that were interesting for me. Thank you, sir.
Hello, I'm Vidya. Generally, I love hands-on, outcome-based education because I don't believe much in guest lectures, and you can bring the Shah Rukh Khan of the industry, but it doesn't connect unless you are impacted by it personally and you are able to take away something that you can apply. So that way, I strongly believe in this, and this session was on that there is frameworks and tools which we could use to in our personal life, understanding our own strengths, our own people and our students as well. So it is more wholesome as an application for life than only to mentoring. So thank you so much for this.
My name is Seema. So I attended both the sections. First section was related to understanding how, what exactly is needed in person to mentor. And second part was to today we understood like how we can apply. And
from DSCA. So what I felt is we have been interacting with students for so long, and we have been maybe solving their problems or helping them channelize in a better way. But because of these 2 days workshop that we had, we are able to channelize everything in a right way, like how this group activity had these 4 C's. I mean, it's nice that we can critically analyze and think and evaluate, and this was not done initially. So because of all these, I think it's become like a wholesome act.
I'm Gautami, associated with DSEA for the past 5 years. This session of 2 days, even though it said about the mentoring, but many things which we are aware of, we could not have got into the application. So this helped us to streamline or to know exactly how to apply this process in our mentoring. And also, as you suggested, the connecting is more important firstly than any other thing. So I think many of us could understand or get the thoughts easily, because firstly you connected to us, then only the thought went into our mind. Thank you.
Hi, I am Aurobindo. There are multiple things I liked throughout these 2 days, but looking at today, there are 2 things I particularly liked. One was in the morning about making the how to differentiate between the different people and how the mentality works and how to understand them. The second thing is the teamwork that we did in the post-lunch period. Coming to college day after day, teaching, taking classes, doing all things, it's as if we are, the single person. You don't really feel the teamwork. It's only when you're sitting and doing a lot of teamwork together that you feel that the whole college is, there's a lot of people there to support you.
Hi, I'm Akhiraknandi Hegde. Over the course of the 2 days of this workshop, there's a lot of learning that has happened, maybe introspective or as a group, and it was very nice to see that how you showed us way to assess by assessing ourselves first, and then taking away from it and how to apply it in our mentoring or maybe in our interpersonal skills. So thank you.
DSA since a year. I wanted to highlight that whenever we were distracted, you didn't call us out, you didn't get angry, and you didn't ignore us. But in a very nice way, you made sure that we also be involved in everything that you're saying. So that is something that I would like to take away to my classes. That's one. And second, I think this group activity that we did towards the end, I enjoyed it. There were so many things that I learned from my colleagues, as well as there was that reading that you had shared. All of us have the same ideas, it's just that it was said in different ways. So it was an engaging session. Thank you.
And I'm here since 8 years now. The day one of this session, but I did speak to few after the session, and I took the material, I read it, and it was very interesting, and I was looking forward for this Saturday. And it has turned out to be as expected, as enlightening, as interactive. And I would suggest that there were literally very immediate and direct takeaways that we can start applying straight away. Into helping ourselves and the processes and the systems in this institute, and I'm very sure all of us as a team can reach a larger goal from this. Thank you, sir.
And second day, I was a little bit distracted, but I think the end video took everything off. So that one was really good. And then more than everything, the takeaway which I feel is the teamwork. We have been working day and night, either it's 9 to 4 or from 12 to 12, whatever it is. We have been working on what we want to do and what we want to achieve in the next goals. But we never think about how we can grow together as a team. So I think that as a takeaway, whether
it was really helpful to understand when the student is creating something, when they are recalling, and when they are trying to remember something. It was very helpful.